Shorter startup times, longer run times, reduced manpower. Get all of this and unbeatable performance from the Thermo Hog, a fully functioning long-line thermo truck with complete flexibility of line and color application. Complete with the Hog Melter, a processing plant that continuously produces melted thermoplastic at 8,000 pounds per hour per melter. Hog pumps, long-lasting and simple to rebuild without ever removing them from the vehicle. A galvanized frame that allows you to simply lift and lower the entire body onto a new chassis when eventually needed. A material deck that accommodates up to 12 pallets of unmelted material, twice that of a leading competitive vehicle, yet still considerably shorter. And a speed control system that is extremely accurate and easy to use without complicated, expensive, and maintenance-intensive hydrostatic drive systems. The Thermo Hog is safe and efficient. Traditional vehicles are extremely vulnerable to fires, as well as scorching material. They transfer heat through a diesel flame burning nearly 1,700 degrees, in spite of the fact that the flash point of thermoplastic is 550 degrees. The Thermo Hog dramatically reduces the risk of fire and eliminates the possibility of scorching material because it never exposes the material to temperatures above 550 degrees. Traditional application vehicles require that you load and melt material in order to carry it. With the Thermo Hog, you melt material as you need it. It's a processing plant, not a crock pot. Listen to what a customer has to say about the Thermo Hog.
In one single melter, he had the melter filled up to 3/4 capacity and then drained the melter and added material at a rate of 4 tons an hour, 8,000 pounds an hour, and the material came out at the same temperature during that entire process of draining and filling.
For faster application, less downtime, and a far cleaner and simpler vehicle overall, be sure to inquire about the Thermo Hog Long Line Truck System today.